Okay, today we're going to be doing a science experiment we saw online where you put water in a little Ziploc baggie and then you can poke pencils straight through it and the water does not leak out at all. Something about the polymers in the plastic baggie, the little chains, the little tiny molecules that make up the baggie, sealing back up around the pencils so the water doesn't leak out. But just as a precaution, we're using a little Pyrex dish here and a towel in case water does leak out, because we're not really sure what's going to happen. This is our first time doing it. So, you get your baggie and you have to pour some water in it. So we got a cup full of water here. Now we're pouring water in. They said to pour it up about halfway full. So let's see, that's probably good. Now let's seal the baggie up. And then my daughter will take some pencils and try to poke some holes in here. They said the holes actually get poked in pretty easily. So let's see. Can you poke holes in it? All the way through? Did the water leak out?
Yes.
It is leaking a little bit. We have very small drops coming out. But it's barely leaking. Maybe try poking some more holes. Nice and clean. All the way through. It's got to go in one side and out the other. Oh yeah, nothing's coming out of that one. Just a few leaks in this top one. Keep going. We got 2. This bag of water is getting a little heavy. Nice, that's 3. Is it working? Don't poke your fingers, careful. Nice. These pencils are sharp. We sharpen them. I said you don't really have to, but yeah, they're going through pretty easily. For some reason, this first one is still leaking just a teensy tiny bit. But the rest aren't. Going through. Oop, you gotta poke it all the way through the other side. Nice. Okay. Make sure your arm's not in front of the camera. All right. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only this first one is still leaking. So whatever we did with that first one must have been a little bit wrong, but none of the other ones are leaking. That's amazing. Okay, you want to do a couple more? Nice. Here's the normal pencil. All the way through. No leaks on that one? No leaks. Science in action. One more, then we'll have all 10. That's all 10 pencils. The water is still holding. Just a tiny little leak at the end of this blue one. Interesting. Yeah, you want to take them out? Okay, take them out. Then the water's going to explode everywhere. Now it's dribbling like crazy. Good thing we put that towel down. There goes all the water. It's going to be gone before you even take all the pencils out. It's falling out so fast. There's so many holes in the bag. It's dribbling everywhere. Ta-da! Now it's all leaking out of that last little hole. Wow, that worked pretty well.
What did the other make wrong?
Yeah. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.